Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you one of my favorite recipes, soft and moist inside out carrot cake cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. For this recipe we will need 40 grams of granulated sugar, 75 grams of brown sugar, 5 ounces of cream cheese, 75 grams of crushed pineapple, 25 grams of pecans, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 70 grams of vegetable oil, 25 grams of raisins, half of the teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of allspice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 110 grams of grated carrots, 100 grams of flour, and of course the scales. In a large bowl, combine 100 grams of flour, half of the teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt, and whisk together. In a separate bowl, whisk together 75 grams of brown sugar, 40 grams of granulated sugar, and 1 egg. Add 70 grams of vegetable oil and whisk until combined and smooth. Now gradually add the dry ingredient mixture into the egg mixture and stir until smooth. Now fold in 75 grams of crushed pineapple, 110 grams of grated carrots, 25 grams of raisins, and 25 grams of toasted pecans, and stir until combined. I recommend tossing pecans and raisins in flour mixture before adding to butter, just so they distribute evenly in the cupcakes. To make the cream cheese filling, beat 5 ounces of softened cream cheese, 40 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Spoon 1 tablespoon of carrot cake butter in each muffin cup. Top with a tablespoon of cream cheese filling, and then top with the remaining butter until each cup is 3/4 of the way full. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit about 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the cake part of the muffins, slightly off the center, comes out clean. Allow cupcakes to cool completely, then frost and decorate with some chopped nuts. And this is it! Our inside-out carrot cake cupcakes with cream cheese frosting are ready. Bon appetit!